Hello everyone, welcome to Quiz Colors. In this video, we have 10 multiple choice questions and answers for competitive exam. Before start the video, I will tell you the answer of the question asked in the previous video. So the question was, if you arrange the letters CIFAIPC, you get the name of a dash. Options are country, ocean, river, city. So the right answer is option B, ocean. Now let's start the quiz. Question number 1. Find the synonym of abundant. Options are scarce, plentiful, insufficient, rare. Please write your answer in the comment box now. The answer is option B, plentiful. Question number 2. Find the correctly spelled word. Please check all the options. Please write your answer in the comment box now. The answer is option C, ACCOMMODATE. Question number 3. Choose the word that is opposite in meaning to melancholy. Options are happy, sad, joyful, gloomy. Please write your answer in the comment box now. The answer is option C, joyful. Question number 4. Complete the analogy. Book, read, pen, dash. Options are write, draw, ink, paper. Please write your answer in the comment box now. The answer is option A, write. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Quiz Colors. Question number 5. Select the correct word to complete the sentence. He is as dash as a fox. Options are cunning, brave, loyal, strong. Please write your answer in the comment box now. The answer is option A, cunning. Now it's time to ask the additional question. So the question is, choose the word which best expresses the meaning of the item. Let the cat out of the tub. Options are reveal a secret, let the animal go, free someone, make a noise. Please write your answer in the comment box now. I will tell you the answer in the next video. Question number 6. If all the vowels are removed from the word concentration, what will be the fourth letter from the left? Options are C, N, T, R. Please write your answer in the comment box now. The answer is option B, N. Question number 7. If A equal to 1, B equal to 2, like this, Z equal to 26, what is the sum of the letters in the word BAT, bat? Options are 23, 24, 25, 26. Please write your answer in the comment box now. The answer is option D, 26. Question number 8. Complete the analogy. Knife, cut, axe, dash. Options are slice, chop, pierce, scrap. Please write your answer in the comment box now. The answer is option B, chop. Question number 9. In a certain code language, dog is written as 23. How is cat written in that code? Options are 24, 27, 29, 30. Please write your answer in the comment box now. The answer is option B, 27. Question number 10. If in a certain code, machine is written as LZBHMD, how is computer written in that code? Options are BNLOQSDQ, BNLQSDQT, BNLOPDSQ, BNLOSDQT. Please write your answer in the comment box now. The answer is option A, BNLOQSDQ. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Quiz Colors for more exciting quiz videos.